this is a point where I think so many in our so-called communities don't thrive, is because you see how you have the trees, you have the branches, you have the grass, you have the bush, you have the insects. All of them are kind of interconnected. They're dependent upon one another. Even the worms in the soil, they play a part. They keep the soil moisturized. The trees provide shelter for many of the plants, which probably couldn't survive in direct sunlight without some shadings from those trees. And on and on and on. The birds eat what the trees produce. The trees produce oxygen, and they take in our carbon dioxide. So we're supplying them with carbon dioxide. They're providing us with oxygen in exchange. Everything works together. This is why, and this is the incline I was talking about, we begin to go down. But this is why working with egocentric people in a society where individualism is the key, that's why it doesn't work. Because all of this is essential to work together. And in an individualistic society, people are pulling their own way. That's why I will not go any place with a egocentric person. I will not make any plans with them, because two is better than one, because if the one fall, the other can lift the other up. But if you have an egocentric person, then you may have two people, but there's only one plus one. There's not one plus one equal two. There's one person plus another one person, each doing their own thing, each depending on their own, isolated, and that is really, really unnatural. You see, even the fallen leaves play a part. They become mulch. Everything plays a part in nature. So in egocentric societies and egocentric people, while you're looking out for them, they're looking out for them. So the only person serving you or benefiting you is you, while they're looking out for their own interests. I hope you can hear the breeze. It's absolutely beautiful out here. And in many of this, you'll see the spiders. They'll find their, you'll walk through some webs, of course. But even the spiders and the webs and the trees, the tree provide them opportunity, places to lay their webs where they catch their food. But everything works together. Everything has a part. So if any part was to of the forest begin to act independent of the other parts, then the ecosystem would die. And that's something for us as humans to learn. Each one of us trying to get ahead, but trying to get ahead independently and apart from one another. The ecosystem died. So many of you are in dying communities, or you're in partnership with business partners who are failing. The business may succeed, but you're actually failing because each are going their own way, not pulling together. So beware of egocentric individualists. They are poison to progress. Look at this, it's absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna stop now. I'm gonna spend the rest of this day with my doggy, and we're gonna be take a mindful walk from this point on. I just wanted to bring you here with me for now, but now we're gonna do a little mindfulness walking. So have a blessed day, and I will talk to you soon.